see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me.
Hey everyone, it's Shanazi. Welcome back to my channel Nezzle and to another vlog. In today's video we are hashing in Westerhall in St. David, and the hash starts and ends at the Westerhall Rum Estate. So I believe you're in for some really lovely sights today, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Let's hit the trail.
As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love.
Alright guys, so here we meet our first circle of the day, and just as a reminder, when you see a circle it means that there are multiple directions that you can go, but only one is right. As we are late, as per usual, it is kicked in the direction that we're supposed to go. So persons before us who took the false trails will know that they are false trails and hence indicate the right way for us. So now we can just go straight because it's kicked straight.
Sunset slow, hey, you know you should stay for the night. What you think? One more drink while we sit by the bonfire.
There's a little greenhouse here to my left, and as you may recall, if you've seen my other hashing videos, we use the paper as a guide to know that we're on the right track.
Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Let's go!
Here we meet another circle, kicked to the right, so we're going up through this section here. Oh my gosh guys, underneath there, there are piggies! And there's a baby. Oh my gosh. Hey little piggies. Can't see them. It's kind of dark. Hopefully y'all can see them.
Cause this might be love. It's a feeling that I can't get rid of.
And then here we have some ducks.
Take my hand, I want
Just chillaxing.
you until the end. Stay with me, take a chance, baby.
I'm heading down to the river.
Love, cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah.
Alright, so we came from over there and came all through there, and now we're here on this road, so we're going straight up. The sky is beautiful today. Hi. You good? This is pretty. These are some bamboo stalks here. So now we're going down here into the bush. And guys, there's a beautiful pink hibiscus in the distance there. Guys, we're in a little precarious section here, and the trail seems to be a little weirdly marked today because we're meeting people who aren't really sure what they've done already and what they still have to do. So we came down here. We just saw some people came around here though, so I guess there were two ways, but with the hashes, you want to try as much as possible to just follow the paper, stay on the trail so you don't get lost. I'm passing here by the river. More bamboo. So here we have the W for walkers, which goes right back that way. I believe this way was for the runners to go left, but I think it may be closed off. So sometimes, depending on how late you are, they may close off a trail. You can still do it if you feel confident enough, but I kind of plan to do the walkers today anyway, so I'm just gonna take the walkers and enjoy a shorter trail today because the runners trail is longer than the walkers. So we're heading down this side here, passing by the steel container building to my right here. And there's a large cleared land here for cane, and you can also see quite a few houses and so in the distance. It's a lovely view here. I love this view of this tree here. There's some little tanks to my right here.
You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break through.
Here you can see some sugar cane to my left.
I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me.
Alright guys, so we just went in there, but it ended up taking us on a circle going all the way back here. So we're gonna back where we started, but we're gonna continue straight here and see where the road takes us, because I'm not really sure where we're supposed to be right now. So we're just gonna try and figure it out. There's paper here, so I guess the right way is just to stay straight. We have quite a lot of sugarcane here to my left and in front of me. Hello, Mr. Gibbs. So we just came from in there and we see the cane cosign here to my right. And now we can see some people on the road here. So we're turning left and we're going up this way. Hello, little kids. Jasmine, you're so cute. Afternoon.
Try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games though? There's no denying what we want.
Hello.
Just watch me break it.
I'm back on Westerhall main road.
How's it doing?